Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Sorbo Swivel Squeegee handle. And as many of you know, Sorbo is famous for making their wide body squeegee channels. Wide body in the case of the channel profile is much wider or thicker, if you will, than your standard channels that say that brass or stainless steel. Great for doing larger panes where you can get really wide channels that are nice and strong, very lightweight aluminum, but nice and strong channels. You can get them very, very wide, cut down on the amount of pole work you're doing, how many swipes you have to do. So besides black, by the way, they come in different colors, such as yellow, purple, blue, and white, as well as some special country combination designs on the handles. So to load up a channel, depending on which channel you're going to do, you're always going to have to flip this lever out to this position here. This will loosen up the jaws here. And depending on the channel that you're loading up, such as a channel like the Sorbo Quicksilver, where it's just all aluminum, there's no plastic end clips at the end, you can either do one of two things. You can either just slide it in from the end, not my favorite method, and then just slide it into place and then lock it in once you've got it nice and even, which it's not, obviously here. Like I said, it's not my favorite way. Or what most people will do is they'll just take this and just push the channel into the jaws. Much faster and much easier to get it nice and straight. This is especially true if you're using the Cobra style. As you can see, it has plastic end caps on both sides. If you try to slide that on there, you're not going to get it done. So what you're going to need to do, like I said, you're just going to have that lever open, push the channel right into the handle, close the lever, and now you're all set to go. Now, some people are wondering, well, what if I've already been experimenting with wide body channels, so I have a Ninja channel or I have a Super channel. Same thing applies. With the Super channel, you can do the sliding in from the end, or you can do the just pushing it on. It goes in nice and fast. So there's the Ettore Super channel. Open that up. Same applies with the Ninja, but of course with the Ninja, you can't do it up, sliding in at the end because of these big bulky clips. So definitely the same type of thing, just push it in there, it's all nice and straight, perfect and ready to go. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning, this is a swivel handle. So what that means is, unlike let's say a Mormon or a wagtail, it's not meant to be used as a loose swivel, swirling back and forth. What it's really meant to do is, depending on the tension, how you have it set, you can just bend it over to a certain point of the angle that you need. Let's say you're working on a piece of glass, you need to do some pole work and you can't get right in front of it. You might need to angle the squeegee first before you pull it. Maybe pulling down or adjust it a different way and pulling side to side. Well, anyway, that's all you need to know about the Sorbo swivel handle. It's a great handle, great combination for your Sorbo channels, but like I said, it also works with Ettore Super channels and the Ninja channel as well. Anyway, thanks for watching.